video, we are going to see how to apply the concept of conversion of star to delta to a problem. Let's illustrate the concept of conversion of star to delta with a simple numerical. So let's take a problem. So I'll have this particular star where three resistors are connected and one end of each resistor connected to forming a neutral point. So definitely it is a star. The values of resistors are given. Two ohm, 4 ohm and 6 ohm. We have to find out equivalent delta for this. So as we have discussed that delta will get formed by closing all the open ends through resistors. So this particular delta circuit you will get, and now our job is to get these values. So for this, where it is connected between A and B, for this it is between B and C, and for this it is C and A. The formula for star to delta conversion can be applied. So in delta, let's focus on RAB. So RAB is formed by closing these 2 points A and B. In original star, 2 ohm and 4 ohm were connected. So RAB is given as 2 plus 4 plus 2 into 4 divided by third resistor, which is 6 ohm. So after solving, I'll get an answer 7.3333 ohm. Similarly, RBC. Between B and C, initially in star, 4 ohm and 6 ohm were connected. So 4 plus 6 plus 4 into 6 divided by 2. If I solve, I'll get an answer 22 ohm. And in third case, RCA, between C and A, resistors which were connected in star were 6 and 2. I'll get 11 ohm. So actually this particular star is getting converted in delta like this. Between A and B, I'll get 7.3333 ohm. Between B and C, I'll get 22. And between C and A, I'll get 11 ohm. So the answer for this problem is this. One thing you have to keep in mind, generally whenever you are converting star to delta, the values of resistor in delta that you are getting normally at the higher side. For example, in star, I am having 2, 4, 6. The lowest value of resistor in star is 2 ohm. And whenever I convert that into a delta, I will get 7.3333 22 11. The lowest value of delta is 7.3333 ohm, which is greater than greatest value in case of a star. So whenever you are applying a formula, you have to remember that whenever I am converting star to delta, I am tending to increase resistance values. So it is quite obvious from this example also. Thank you.